much the issue with him that we don't have to get up there. It may be, hey, it may be just as beneficial to back out or walk down and go down that other road. That's what I was thinking. Get down there.
You can see 400 yards through the woods.
Yeah.
He gonna see us if he really is.
Yeah, if he's right there. Yeah. I'm fine with that. Let's back out, go back on the power line, and then drop down that other ridge.
You don't think we can get down there from here? Do you think?
Probably.
Man, I don't really want to roll down it. I don't have to.
Hey, there's a quicker way.
I can't believe they didn't land up on this ridge.
God, you thought they were gonna come down here, wouldn't you? I mean, you definitely.
About dropping off the backside of this. It goes.
Oh yeah.
Hard off.
Yeah, like you can't slow yourself down. Like it's way steeper than this is right here.
Really?
Oh yeah.
So you are saying go back up. Come back in that little field up there. No. Stay on this side.
Yeah.
There's another road.
There's another road, a little ridge that goes down there, but we could just drop right off right here. Let's just do that, man. Try it. We're gonna leave Bryan with it. Me and Will gotta go to work. So, coronavirus. Keeping what Bryan's not essential is essentially the problem here. He's essentially not essential. Well, they're still gobbling.
Why don't you do your job and pray for me to kill a turkey?
Yeah, no. I'm gonna pray. You just don't want to know what I'm gonna pray.
Yeah. There's, what, 2 or 3 gobblers
There's
now?
2 or 3 goblins.
Hey, why don't you turn it off for a second?
When's the last time I've left 2 or 3 gobblers gobbling? Let's talk about that. just flew down to the right. Here come them jakes. Whenever you can, shoot the first one. Yeah, I was trying to get settled on him.
It was a gobbler, right?
Yeah, there's two of them.
Weird. Longest one I could see.
I think I jumped. I was trying to get on him and zoom in and he shot. Dang. Yeah, you can't ask for better than that. I hope I didn't jump, man. I was just zooming in on him as you shot.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because he was behind a tree. I was trying to get zoomed in.
There was 5 birds total, I think.
Yeah. Dude, one call.
Yeah.
One yelp when they get ready to fly down. That was
Perfect.
Ain't that freaking crazy? Sorry, Will.
Hey, dude, I'm let my leg get back feeling. I'm gonna come.
That was awesome. I can't wait to go back.
I think they might have seen the decoy and spooked
I
them.
think we might have.
'Cause I think this group's, and that's a 2-year-old bird,
Yeah.
and I think they probably got their butt whooped a bunch by that older group.
Well, there's a bird behind us.
I heard it too, but he didn't gobble but once or twice. That's
Look at that. Full tail, baby.
Around and set up where they wanted to go.
Where were they?
They're right on the right as that crest of that ridge starts to drop off. They were in some of the
So we
trees.
came in right over here.
When he pitched down to your right here, I was like, "God, that's on a gun." You know, he's about to go down the hill. You know,
That's what I thought they were going to do.
but they just had a good landing.
I don't know how far that was. That's a good little ways. When you shot,
40, 45.
Let's see. I had my range phone. I couldn't believe you shot. Right there was 40, and he was beyond it.
He had to be, I thought he was 45 or 50.
Yeah.
I honestly was surprised you shot then.
Yeah.
Me too.
But I heard you say something and I was like, he's going to shoot that bird because I seen that Jake kind of turned around and did that deal. But I think he was honestly just like, oh, I ain't so sure about that old boy.
Yeah, I think that's what it was.
Because as soon as he cleared this tree, he was coming up there. As soon as he cleared that tree and could see that gobbler, he was like, whoop.
All right, guys, we slipped back in here this morning. We'd heard some birds in here two mornings ago. Got on them, but we couldn't get them killed. So we decided to get back in here, get in a little tighter on them, and we made a ton of noise coming in. We were like, there's no way we're gonna kill these turkeys. Leaves are extra crunchy this morning, super still, no wind. I had very little to zero confidence that we would actually kill these turkeys once we got in here. And then once we got set up, started getting a little daylight, they were gobbling behind us, the opposite direction where we thought they would be, which was okay. We were able to turn around on the trees. And one gobbler just gobbled his head off. Every crow, every noise, he answered. And I waited till fly down because they were really close and just gave them one little yelp. And man, they flew down, came right to us. It was 2 jakes and 2 gobblers. And they got to where they could see our decoy and started to spook. And so I picked out the only gobbler that I could get a shot at and shot him. So it was a lot of fun.
Couldn't ask for a prettier morning, that's for sure. So we thought we were done, but we just heard another bird gobble right here on our way out. So we're going to set up right here and try to call this one in. Awesome. Straight up there with him. Fire spots. I'll sit right back here. I'm gonna set it here. There he comes, dude. I can't see him. I can see his head.